Okay, hey everyone. So I'm going to show you today how to do GIFs. So this may be something you're already familiar with, but I'm going to show you a few examples of how I use it in my classroom to teach kind of key vocabulary like cause and effect, main idea, just that key content vocabulary that kids really struggle with, especially English learners. All right, so let's get started. This is the first site that I go to. This is Jiffy, and it's jiffy.com. I'll put it in the bottom of underneath the video. So what I do, I go here and then I just kind of search for whatever it is that I'm looking for. So there is audio in some of them. I don't really worry about that too much. But you can search things like and you can find some really cute stuff. So you just kind of have to search. You just look for whatever it is you're interested in. And then whatever picture it is that you want, you'll just click on it. So maybe I like this one. I'm going to click on share and I want copy GIF link. So you see that little chain? That is what you want. So you want to click on the chain. It says link copied. And then you actually have a way to put this in Canvas as well, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's say this is where I want to add in my new picture. So I'm going to insert image and then go by URL. And you can see actually if you go back to that, let me show you that real fast again. There's actually that chain again. So it's the exact same symbol. And then you just paste and then click insert. And there you go. You can make it bigger, smaller, however you want. So that's how you insert it into Google Slides. And I use this in so many different activities and lessons. So I just did a video on vocabulary, which I will link in here to go to that if you haven't watched that one. And then I'm also going to show you how to use this in just regular content. So this is one I have on cause and effect. So I teach cause and effect using these as well. And it's basically, yeah, it just gives them that visual and that video of the dog tried to jump to the bed. He landed on his face. And like they laugh, they love it, they're engaged and they get it. Like it just clicks. Like it's so easy to understand it that they easily just pick it up. I'm like, well, which one happened first, right? Was she not looking or did she run into the door? They can easily tell me she wasn't looking. So it's super, super, super engaging and you can make them really funny. So I love it. They love it. And that's pretty much how I use that in my classroom. So you can also do this in Canvas. So if you have a Canvas page, you can go into Canvas and you will go into find that little image, the picture frame. So click on upload image. You'll go to URL, file URL, and then you will want to do the link, submit, and there you go. And you can resize it there too. And that's how you can put them inside your Canvas page to make it more interesting and engaging as well. So I hope you find this helpful. I highly recommend it. Like I said, you can use this in so many different ways to teach content vocabulary. It's really super engaging. You can have them use this to do their own vocabulary, come up with ways to represent their vocabulary words. So just be careful because some of the stuff on this website is not appropriate. So if just make sure if you work with older kids. But I will put all of this in the video for you or underneath the video for you. So hope you find it helpful and have fun exploring it. Okay. Bye guys.